Hello students, welcome back to my lectures of class 10 physics. In the previous video, we have seen about the image formation by convex lenses. There we have seen three different cases. The first case, when the object was placed at infinite, where the image was formed at principal focus, that is at first principal focus. In the second case, we have seen that when the object is placed beyond 2f2, in that case, the image was formed between f1 and 2f1. And in the third case, we have seen when the object is placed at 2f2. In that case, the image was formed on the other side at 2f1. Now here in this lecture, we will see three more cases of the image formation by convex lenses. The fourth case is when the object is placed between f2 and 2f2. मतलब वो जो ऑब्जेक्ट है हमने f2 और 2f2 के बीच में रखा है. इस केस में इमेज कहां पर बनेगी? Here the first rule, that is, if a light ray is parallel to principal axis, then after refraction it passes through the first principal focus. So here let me draw the rule number first. Refraction will take place from the aperture, and here this will be the first rule. Okay, now the rule number second, if a light ray passes through optical center, then after refraction it remains undeviated. Okay, so here where the image is being formed, this point is A dash and this will be B dash. So in this way the image will be formed when the object is placed between f2 and 2f2. Okay, now here we have to write the characteristics of the image formed. So we will write the characteristics. Okay, in the characteristics, what is the first point we have? That is the position of image. So here where the image is formed, the image is formed beyond 2f1. So we can write it as beyond 2f1 and it is on the other side of lens. Okay, the second characteristics, that is based on the size. So what will be the size of the image formed? You can see here the size of the object is smaller but the size of the image is bigger. So here we can write magnified image. This image formed is magnified. Third one is the nature. What is the nature of the image formed? Here you can see the light rays, they are actually meeting at a point after refraction. तो यहाँ पर जो image है वो किस तरह की image होगी? That image will be real. So this is real image and a real image is always inverted. So its nature will be real and inverted. So it is the case when the object is placed between f2 and 2f2 where the image will be formed beyond 2f1. So now let us see one more case, that is case number 5, when the object is placed at f2, that is at the second principal focus. What we are doing, we are moving the object from infinite towards the lens. So now the position of the object is at f2. So we will draw the ray diagram for this position. Now rule number first, what it says, that if a light ray is parallel to principal axis, after refraction it passes through the first principal focus. Okay, and here the rule number second, that if a ray of light passes through the optical center, then it remains undeviated. Okay, now here in this case where the image is formed, here when you will draw this diagram exactly on your copy, then you will see these two rays, and you will see this, that these two rays will be parallel to each other, and if they are parallel to each other means where the image is being formed, the image will be formed at infinite. So you can see this is the converse of the first case. First case में क्या था? Where the object was placed at infinite. और अगर object infinite पे place होता है तो उसकी वजह से image कहाँ पर बनती है? Principal focus पर. यहाँ पर उसका exactly opposite. If we have the object at principal focus, then its image will be formed at infinite. Okay, so what will be the characteristics of the image formed? First one, position. Image कहाँ पर बन रही है? It is at infinite, and you can write on the other side of lens. Lens के ये उस तरफ बन रही है. What about the size? If the image is formed at infinite, then its size will be, you can say, highly magnified. Because the image is formed at infinite, इसलिए वहां पर उसकी साइज बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी होगी. The next one is the nature. Now here you can see the light rays, यहाँ पर तो नहीं मिल रहे, लेकिन हम एज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि दे आर मीटिंग एट इनफाइनाइट एंड दे आर एक्चुअली मीटिंग एट इनफाइनाइट। इसका मतलब यहाँ पर जो नेचर रहेगा इमेज का, इट विल बी रियल, it will be real and inverted. So in this case also we have real and inverted image. So in this way the image is formed when the object is placed at f2. Let us see one more final case of the image formation by convex lens, that is case 6, when the object is placed between the principal focus, that is between the second principal focus and the optical center. Now we are moving the object more closer to the lens. तो ऑब्जेक्ट कहां पर है, यहाँ पर between optical center and f2. So here we will draw the image formation for this case. Again we will use here rule number first, that if a ray of light is parallel to principal axis, then after refraction it passes through the principal focus of the lens. Okay, now here what is the rule number second, that is if a ray of light passes through optical center then it remains undeviated. तो यहाँ पर इस तरह से कुछ लाइट रे जाएगी. Okay, now here you can see these two light rays, they will not be parallel to each other. अगर ये यहाँ पर पैरेलल होती तो हम कह सकते थे कि इस केस में भी जो इमेज है वो कहाँ पर बनेगी, इनफाइनाइट पे बनेगी. बट हियर इन दिस केस दे आर नॉट पैरेलल, तो ये आगे जाके कहीं तो मिलेगी नहीं. Where they can meet, if we extend them in the backward direction, then they can meet at any point. Okay, so if I extend these two line rays in the backward direction, then what I will see that these two light rays can meet on the same side where the object is placed. ये दोनों light rays यहाँ पर मिल सकती है. So here this will be the point image for the point A. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक image बनेगी which is A dash and here it will be B dash. Okay, so it's a special case and very important from exam point of view. क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या है, the light rays they are not actually meeting at a point after refraction. It appears that the light rays they are meeting at a point after refraction. मतलब यहाँ पर जो case है, it's a virtual case. It is the same case as that of concave mirror where the object was placed between the pole and the principal focus. जहाँ पर जो image हमारे पास क्या बनती थी, वो virtual image बनती थी. तो यहाँ पर भी क्या है, virtual image ही बन रही है हमारे पास. Okay, so what will be the position of the image? It will be on the same side as that of object. Now you will understand that why we have written in all the 5 cases on the opposite side of as that of lens, because here in this case we are getting the image on the same side as that of lens. Okay, what about the size? You can see here size of the object is smaller but the size of the object is larger. So we can write here magnified image. Magnified means its size will be somewhere more as compared to the size of the object. The next is the nature. अब यहाँ पर देखिए nature, it is exactly different from what we studied in the 5 different cases of image formation. यहाँ पर क्या था, अगर light rays आगे जाके मिलती तो वहाँ पर क्या होता, real and inverted. But here it appears that light rays are meeting after refraction. तो यहाँ पर किस तरह की image बनेगी, it will be virtual. And we know that a virtual image is always erect. So we can write it is virtual and erect. So in this way we can draw the image formation when the object is placed between f2 and optical center. So it is all about the image formation for the convex lenses. In the next video we will say about the rules of image formation by concave lens.